Hello everybody, it's the mobile home mama. The lot's looking a little bit empty today, but I wanted to show you this beauty. This is the Caborn, aka the Pokagon. The difference is between those two is exactly 4 feet, but I wanted to look at this exterior on the Singlewide because it doesn't have to be plain Jane. You can dress it up with some different designs on the exterior. I think this is a really cool way to do it, and if you get closer, you're going to see this is actual wood. It's not vinyl here, but vinyl here in a clay color. Let's check out the other side. We've got white lineals surrounding the windows in place of shutters. So if we look side by side, those are lineals, those are shutters. The lineals are made out of vinyl, just like the siding, same material. And this is a 4-inch Dutch lap siding available in 5 colors. We also do a 4.5-inch as well. There's your dryer vent, water outlet, water inlet, pier saver. So we reinforce the doors if you would like for us to do that. That will save you in putting in the piers that go underneath the doors. I'm actually going to come in the back door this time. And we know this design. This is our most popular floor plan, so we see it quite a lot. This customer has done Lysol on the countertops on the island, white on the cabinets, Timberwolf on the rest of the lowers, white on the uppers. They put in an appliance package, a gas stove, microwave over the range, dishwasher. This is a champion home. I like to think it's the best of the best. I'm a little partial to that though. Laminate backsplash, and they've added in that accent wall here in the kitchen. We see that quite often. Remember folks, you can always take these cabinets 42 inches to the ceiling if you like. We've got window blinds in here, so that tells me they've put one of our most popular packages in this home. Ceiling fan in the living room. Now we do that a couple different ways. And by the way, I think I mentioned this, but the ceiling fans are white now. They used to be black, or you could flip the blades and they would be brown, but now they're back to white. Perimeter heat. A lot of people don't know what that is, but when we do inline sectional heating, mean these registers would be right down the middle unless you tell us to opt for perimeter heat, which puts them right up against the wall. This is a corbel. I just had a customer ask me what to do with that and what that was for. That's a decorative piece for the outside. Usually goes in the peak of a dormer in most cases. This refrigerator is surrounded by cabinetry. They've added knobs, that's a part of the package. Coming into the primary bedroom, they've continued with that accent wall. Nice place for a hutch dresser and a TV. Huge walk-in closet, one of the biggest ones in the Singlewides. Coming into the primary bath. Oh, we have a different countertop in here. This is bronzite. This actually is one of my favorite countertops because I'm holding this at an angle. It's very glossy and also has swirls in it. 4 bulb light strips now. I've been seeing those. I think they might have gotten an extra bulb lately. I don't know. I'll have to check into that. Standard tub shower combination. That's a 60-inch. Then we've got this nice linen closet here. Lots of storage in this bathroom. And an extra large mirror. Heading back to the other end of the home, we might as well stop and take a look at these windows. These are dual paned vinyl. They do tilt in for easy cleaning. Made by Lippert there. You're going to have an egress window in every bedroom. That is so that people can get out in the case of a fire. So those are definitely got to be there. This is a 9-light residential back door. You could also make that your front door if you wanted to. We call it a 9-light because it's 3, 6, 9 pieces of glass. Coming into bedroom 2. Turning around here, we've got the washer dryer area. Bath 2. And an even different countertop in here. Quartz frost. Wow. We got the whole lineup in this home. Here's bedroom 3. Also, this is where you're gonna find your water heater. So if you choose to add a water softener loop, that's where it's gonna go, just so you know. You can change that and re-traffic all the water lines, but it'll cost you. I don't recommend doing that. Anyways, here we've got can lights throughout. That's our thing here. You're gonna see that everywhere. And this is the Caborn. The Caborn is the 16x76 larger version. And you can also get this in a home called the Pokagon, which is a 16x72. Our absolutely most popular single wide floor plan this year. And I appreciate you all so much. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.